unlock up YouTube, start attending to some videos, and get compensated again and again in passive income. And no, we are not speaking about one of those websites that will pay you for watching videos in actually pennies. These videos you will watch directly from YouTube, and more greatly you'll be able to actually make thousands of dollars with this method if you fix it all up correctly. And with that announced, let's get right into this video. Before we go on, it's important to note, guys, that this technique is somewhat difficult. Not too much, but it is complicated to the point that you must keep watching if you want to know how to actually set this up. Until the very end of the video you will possibly not understand why we did some things that we did. So that's why it's so crucial you stay with me. Anyways, the very first website you'll wish to go over to today is YouTube. And what you wanna do on YouTube is find certain videos in the entertainment niche. It can be actually any video you want to. The only I'd say necessity here is that the video is high quality and somewhat outstanding, so that it at least has over 1 million views. In my case, I will be using a YouTube channel to find such videos, and you can do that as well if you so wish. The YouTube channel I will be utilizing here, that you might as well use too if you don't want to bother searching for videos yourselves, is called Be Amazed. It's a really prominent channel with millions of subscribers, and the videos themselves are very high quality and do get a lot of views, so they certainly fit into the standards. From here you want to find a video and watch it through to the end to make sure that it's entertaining, and keep doing this over and over again until you find a video you think is good enough. In my example, I'll be using this video here as an example. What you now require to do when you find a video of your own selection is download its thumbnail, and for that particular purpose we'll be using a website called YouTubeThumbnailImage.com. On this website you can download thumbnails from actually any video in high quality for free, so it's excellent for you dudes. To now download the thumbnail, first copy the link of the video in question, then come over to this website and paste it in this box, and click on search, and this website should now allow you to download that thumbnail in altering resolutions, and you want to go for the highest resolution, 1920 by 1080. So just click on the download button and this website will download that thumbnail in the highest quality to your PC free of charge. When you download that thumbnail to your PC, what you will now need to do, guys, is add some sort of play button in the middle of it. And in order to be able to do that, you obviously require a play button image, and also a platform where you will add the play button on top of the thumbnail. The website you can use to effortlessly find a bunch of play button images to download free of charge once more is this one here called pngtree.com. When you come on to this website, guys, you will need to sign up real fast, which, as you may guess, I won't go over to not prolong this tutorial. Once you've logged into your new account, what you need to do is type in the search bar something like play or play button, and you'll be able to see all of these images you can download. Simply pick one you like the best, and then download it by first drifting your mouse over the photo. Then click on PNG right over here, 0.5s pause, and finally click on free download, and this website will download it to your PC. It's worth noting that with a free account you can only download 2 photos per day, so make sure you guys pick the photo you truly want and then download it. Otherwise you would have to wait a day before you can download another one. Anyways, a website that you will use to now put that photo on the thumbnail is called canva.com, and once logging into your brand new account on this website, here's what you wish to do. Hover your mouse over templates here, then select either Instagram posts or Instagram stories, and then on the next page click on create blank here, since you do already have an image you got over from YouTube. Anyways, when you are taken to the editor, this is what you'll have to do to open up the thumbnail in that PNG image. Click on upload here, and then on upload media, and you will then open up the thumbnail first, and then to display it just select it by clicking on it here. Once you do so, make sure you expand it to fit this white space here so there are white or black lines around it. To then add that PNG photo, you will repeat the same process. Click on upload, then on upload media, and finally you'll select that play button you got from PNG Tree a while back. And what you wanna do with it is put it in the middle of your thumbnail and make sure you increase its size if it's too small and not visible, or decrease its size if it fits over most of the thumbnail, since you don't want that either. And now that you've done that, dudes, barely download it to your PC by clicking on the download button in the upper right corner here, and that's it. Now that you have done that, guys, it's time for me to show you the website that will entirely be paying us today, and it's this one here called linkspy.cc. What this is in essence is a URL shortener. It allows you to decrease a link to any URL out there. The thing is though that unlike URL shorteners like Bitly, when someone clicks onto your shortened link they won't be instantly taken to the destination site. For example youtube.com, they will rather first see a bunch of advertisements, and only then proceed to the website in question. The ad payment is then split between the person who shortened the link and the website, and this is how many people out there are making money online, both with this website and other identical ones. You can actually see with their calculator down here how much money there is to be made here. When dragging this you can see my expected income rises to hundreds of dollars, and then thousands. So if you get a bunch of visitors on your shortened link, you can make a lot of money with this website, and I will demonstrate you how. So you can shorten links and get paid on here. What you'll have to do is sign up by clicking on sign up right here, and then you'll have to type in some of your basic info so you can sign up to the website. When you do log in, this is how everything will now look. And now guys, you will appreciate, at least partly, how we will be making money with those YouTube videos. What you will want to do now is shorten the link to the YouTube video you picked a while back, the same YouTube video whose thumbnail you downloaded and thereafter edited. To shorten the link to it, you'll first copy the link, then come over to this website and click on shorteners on the left hand side here, and then you will be able to attach your Linkspy account with all of these link shortening websites out there. Let's say for example I want to link my account with AdFly. To do so, first I have to create an account on the website, and then type in my info in these boxes on Linkspy here, namely the username and public APY, and click on link, and then I'll be able to shorten that link I got from YouTube. If you dudes don't know how to do all of that, you can click on instructions here and you'll be able to see where you can find the info on those websites so you can connect them with your account on Linkspy here. Anyways, now that you have shortened the link, you just need to get some clicks to it, and you'll be able to begin making money online in pure passive and inactive income. And the final website you will wanna go over to today is the one you'll be using as a traffic source indeed, and it's this one here called Interest.com. As many of you know, this is an exceptionally popular website where people share numerous photos called pins, and they get thousands of views at the very least on here. Mostly thanks to the site's popularity, the website, as you can see here, is being visited by literally a billion people on a monthly basis, so it's crazy outstanding. What you will now want to do, guys, is create a pin yourself, and the photo you will use for that pin is undoubtedly the thumbnail you got from a while back. To post a pin on here, what you need to do is click on create here, and then on create pin. And on the successive page you will open up your pin and fill out all of this info about it, the title, a bit of info about the pin, and you will be able to add an objective link to it. The title can be the same as the title you got from the YouTube video, and the destination link will surely be your shortened link from Linkspy. When you fill out all of this info, guys, and upload your pin onto this website, thousands of people will notice it. And the justification you added that play button prior is because when somebody clicks on your pin, they'll be taken over to the video that they can then watch, but just before that they'll see some ads allowing you to make money by certainly doing nothing at all. As you can see, all of the pieces of the puzzle now fit in. This is why we did all of that before. And with that announced, if you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. Catch sight of you in successive video.